Hi YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. This is an update that I want to show you the overview of my Ford Granada 2.0, and I've had this running now. You can see my earlier videos in Swedish, so you can see that it is running fine. Some wobble here and there, but we fix it. And I changed the thermostat and the water pump and the timing belt and the timing belt tensioner, of course. I've fixed the Weber carburetor, and I've changed the ignition coil to a Volvo coil here. This is some homemade adapters here just to make it run, and I fixed the cooling so it looks nice. But I want to show you the real matter back here, because we got a lot of rust in this car. On the left side here, where the spare tire should be located, and the repairer 20 years ago, this car was repaired, but I don't call it repairing when they use foam to fill out the areas and then use putty over that. That's just ridiculous. I wanted to show you here how it looks from beneath. The underside here on the right side, it got bare metal here, no problem, but it looked like a jeez. Oh, it got some damage here, but I know for a fact that I can make a template out of this to repair the other side that is completely gone. It's completely gone. Here, over where the tank sits, it looks almost like brand new, and we got some damages here also, but I think it is not impossible to repair this. It looks to be not beyond repair. It is no problem. I think with patience and time we're going to fix this. I have to put this panel to the side. I have it laying so I know the shape of it. That is important to get the original shape back to where it should be. And yeah, I'm going to show you the other side. Be patient with me here. The back panel should be repaired also. The left side of the car here, I was forced to take this panel off because it was all just foam inside it. So to get rid of that, I was forced to do that. And this is not impossible at all, you know it. There were some damage, some holes in this wheel well here, but it is all possible to repair. Yes, you see. And I want to show you one more thing before I exit this video. This is just beautiful. You can see the seats it's original. There are not damage at all. They look almost like brand new. That is just amazing. This is beautiful. I love this. I love starting to work on this because, yeah, I'm going to get this car back on the road. That is my goal. I was only 6 years old when my father bought this, and he was the owner of that car, and I am the second owner of this car. I will never leave this car. I promise. And if you wanted to follow me on the journey to repair this car, you're welcome. Yeah, see you in the next one.